this video, I will show how you can apply doors into your Revit file and how you can change their sizes. So let's get started. As you can see that I am working in ground floor plan, and in the architecture tab, the tooltip assistance is showing me the command for door is DR, or you can just click here. Now in the properties palette, you can see that type selector has one type of door which is 36 by 80 4 inches, and there are some different types as well, but this is a single flush family, and if you want to apply the door, you can just select one of the door. Let's just select 36 by 84, and you can see that you cannot apply just door anywhere. There has to be a wall so that the door you want to apply is applied. And you can also see that the for this wooden door, you can only apply it on solid or masonry wall. You cannot apply door through this curtain wall. So since the door is here, and it resembles to the door size of the CAD plan, so let's just click here. You can automatically see that the wall within that door area is subtracted, and the door has been applied to our plan. Now if you want to change the orientation of the door, you can just select the door. There are two arrows which shows that the orientation can be changed either in this direction or in this direction. So it's totally up to you. In my plan, the orientation is already set, so let's just set as it is. Now for these areas, let's just say I think the door size is 30 by 84, and apply. Okay, this is good, and it's already been applied. Before applying the door, you can see that if I move my cursor to this side of the wall, the door automatically shows on this side, and if I click on this side of the wall, then the door is automatically shown on this side. So it's totally up to you where you want to apply this door. And let's just click here. Here you can see that before applying the door, I'm assuming that door size is equal, but the orientation is different, and this time I want to change the orientation before applying the door. So let's just press space bar. By pressing the space bar, you can see that I can change the orientation of the door to be applied, and now this is correct according to my plan. So just click here. Also this door size is different, so let's go to the next one. I think these doors are 36 by 84. Yes, so this is how you can apply the doors. But let's just say your door is not available in this list. So in that case, what you should do, you should go to this load family, and then in this folder you must find the doors folder, which is this one. And now you can see that there are different types of or different families of the doors based upon material and based upon their usage. Either they are commercial door, or if you want to use residential doors, or if you want to just import any of the door. Let's say I want to import this double glass door. Now Revit is asking me that which type I want to import. So let's just click, and so let's just click here, and then press shift and click here, so that all of the doors are selected, and press OK. Now if I go to my type selector, then you can see that all of the types of the doors within this double door glass family have been loaded into my Revit file. So I want to apply this door size. I'll click it and just deviate. I will just deviate from my this plan, and I will click door here. I will remove this single plane door. Now you can see that double door or double glass door has been applied. I also want to see that if I can apply this door to my curtain wall or not, because this is a double glass door. Let's see here. No, I am unable to apply the door. Yes, I can, but can't create the curtain wall million the portion of the content. So delete elements. So it means that I can apply the glass door where it is the glass curtain. Let's just create door some at some other place as well. So it will have some kind of error, but you can also delete the elements and now you can apply the doors. Let's just see this effect in 3D. You can see that a door has been applied here and here as well. So the required mullions that are automatically being deleted. I want to apply a door here for my experiment, and I will just go to this door and load a new family. Let's say this time I select some commercial door, which is door, let's say this one, double action, and see if there is any door which is less than 6 feet in width. No, there is not any door. So let's just import this one. You can see only one type of this door from this family has been loaded to this file. So let's just click and apply it here. Now this door has been applied, but I want to change its size. So I will go to edit type, then I will duplicate it, and this time I want to make the door which is just 5 feet wide, which is 60 uh, inches, and the height uh, will be 84 inch, just to match with the rest of the doors. So since the name has been updated, now it's time to change its height, width and height. So make it to 5 feet and change the height to 84 inches and click and apply. Now you can see that the door has been automatically updated. You can also select this door and see the change in this type selector, and you can see that in this family double exterior double two light door, you can see that now there are two types of door. So that's how you can change the door sizes. So that's it for today. If you have any confusion regarding doors, please do ask me in the comment section.